Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error unmounting error on Mac. So how you can fix it? So for fixing this you just need to try first thing is just restart your computer. So just tap on Apple and just find here restart and submit restarting your computer. So if it doesn't help you, you just need to shut down your computer. So just shut down it. Just wait until it will close all of your windows and just close all apps and turn off your computer. So now just tap on power on and just press Command R at one time before you will see Apple logo. So just keep holding these two buttons before Apple logo. So after just release your fingers from these two buttons. So actually you can try if you have your operating system on external drives, just try to put your external drive and just open it from your Mac. And another thing I will show to you now, so how I can fix it. So just choose here language first thing, and another step, just wait until it will load examic volumes. So just wait some time. So here you will see restore from time machine. So also you can try this option, or you can try to reinstall macOS Big Sur. So this is the way how you can try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.